Hello guys, welcome to the 8th day of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this particular recursion problem called Fibonacci number. So we already know about Fibonacci sequence, we have studied it in our high school. The Fibonacci numbers, commonly denoted as Fn, form a sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, such that each number is the sum of two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1, that is at n when n is 0, so we get 0. When n is 1, we get 1. Similarly, when n is 2, we also get 1, and then the sequence continues. We will see it in a moment. And basically the sequence is like this, like we are adding the two previous values in order to get the third value, all right, the nth value. Given n, calculate fn. So in example 1, we see that n is 2, output is 1. So when with f1 we get 1, with f0 we get 0, so we add both of them and we get output as 1. So let's see how what Fibonacci series is and how it works. Okay, so this is what the Fibonacci series is, right? 1 1 2 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the seventh, and then it goes on and on. So since it also considered f0 is equal to 0, so we can also say that the 0th term is 0. Okay, so these are the values itself and these are the values of n. So basically if you are finding any particular term, so it is basically the answer to the addition of previous two terms, right? So 0 plus 1 makes 1, 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 plus 1 makes 3, 3 plus 2 makes 5, 5 plus 3 makes 8, 8 plus 5 then again makes 13, and the series goes on. So whenever if we want to find the nth term, so what we will do is we will add the previous term plus the n minus 2th term, which is like if we want to find n equals to 3, so we will add 3 plus 1th term plus 3 minus 2th term, so it is like 2 plus 3 minus 2, 1. So if we are finding nth term, so we have to add the second term plus the first term. So at the second position we have 1, and at the first position also we have 1, so it will become 2. So at nth third position we get 1 plus 1, 2, which you can see it is 2, right? So that's how Fibonacci series work. Let's write the code. So if we have the base condition as first of all 0, that if we have n equals to 0, so we will just return 0 simply. Similarly, if n equals to 1 or n equals to 2, like in the sequence when it's a first term or the second term, so we just return 1. Okay, and then we will just return otherwise fib with n minus 1 plus fib, we will call the function again with n minus 2, and then just run the code. Okay, so all the test cases passed. Now let's submit the solution and let's see the runtime. Okay, so we got the runtime of 6 milliseconds. I hope you guys understood this solution, and if not, you can write your questions in the comment section. And until then, see you in the next video. Bye.